So people are always asking me how to bring their hair back to life. There are a lot of people come up to the to my booth or where I'm selling or my table, and they're like, "I am having this issue. How can I address it? My hair is dull. My hair is dry. How do I bring my hair back to life?" I had to revitalize my hair. It needs a little bit of CPR, and I'm good at doing CPR, but I was not good at resuscitating my hair. And I actually had so much heat damage, and it wasn't necessarily heat damage. I had pulled my hair back so much that I have textured hair. So I have very coily, tight coiled hair. I would pull it back in like what they call a pineapple all the time because I was a student and that was easy for me. But pulling it back straighten that part of my hair. So when I went to put it back in its natural state, it would be natural with a straight plume up in the front. And I could never fix it. No matter how much I trimmed, it kept growing straight. And I was like, did I mess up something? I was so confused. So I actually shaved all of my hair off like probably 4 years ago. And I was like, we're going to see after I shave this off if it's gonna grow back with the same pattern around the entire head. I was also having some hair loss and thinning and a lot of breakage, and I was like, this is not revivable, right? So I was like, just shave it all off. So when I shaved it off, I'm going to the barbershop for a few months, probably 6 months or so. My dad I went home one weekend and my dad took me to the barbershop. I'm like, this is weird. This is very weird and I don't want to do it again. So I actually stopped shaving my hair because I was like, I am in the hair salon or the barbershop with my dad. And I always had longer hair and I never been to a barbershop before. Um, so after I did shaved all my hair off, I just went straight to using my products. I made sure I put my scalp serum on to make sure my scalp stayed healthy. I'm using my leave-in conditioner. I'm mixing in my clarifying shampoo and I'm using my moisturizer consistently. And I saw so much growth in my hair in just a few months that it was like, I could start getting it straightened again, even though it was still kind of a bob or very close, almost pixie cut-ish. And that was kind of nice watching that growth. And then lo and behold, the front started to go back to its natural curl pattern. And I was more than excited that I was able to revive my hair. Granted, it's not as quick as actual doing CPR. It took me a couple years, but eventually got there.